Hello everyone, I Vishal Chaya welcome you all once again. In this lecture we are going to discuss what is productivity and how we can increase productivity. So first, last time we have discussed objectives of industrial engineering. The sole objective of industrial engineering is to improve or to increase productivity and hence profit. So objective of industrial engineering is to improve productivity, and productivity means we are using resources to produce any product or service inside industry. So more efficient use of resources improve the productivity. Second thing is, if we reduce the wastage of material and time in industry, then we can say that we can improve productivity. And last thing is that if we get higher level of output for same input supply, means without investing much more on the resources, and we are getting higher level of product output or higher level of quality, then we can say there is an improvement in productivity. So that now we are going to discuss what is productivity, how can we define productivity, and how can we increase the productivity. So productivity is defined as the ratio of output by input. But we need to understand what is output in industry and what is input in industry. Output is the product or service that is produced inside the industry, and value of goods or services that is produced in industry is termed as output. Now we need to define input. What are the input in industry? So input like man, material, machine, money, time, space, capital investment, energy supplied is termed as the input or resources that is being utilized to produce product or service. So value of resources that is utilized to produce product or service is termed as input. So productivity is the ratio of output by input. So now we need to understand that productivity can be increased by using this equation. So we will now understand how to increase productivity from this equation. So first thing is, if we can increase the output with the same input, means numerator value is increased by putting the same value of input, then we can say from the equation that productivity can be increased. So what is the output? Output is the value of product or service. So value of product can be increased by increasing the production rate or improve the quality of product, and value of service can be increased also by improving the quality of services. That in that way we can increase the overall productivity of the industry, and profit is also increased due to increase in production rate and increase in quality. You can increase the selling price of product by improving the quality, and if your production rate is increased, your production cost is less, and hence profit margin will be improved one. So by increasing the output we can increase the productivity. Second thing is, by reducing the input for the same output, we are not disturbing the output, or with the same output we are putting effective utilization of resources, or we can say reduce the input by reducing the wastage of material, by reducing the wastage of time, by utilizing in right way the resources. We can reduce the input cost, means total production cost is reduced, that we have invested in resources. So if production cost is reduced with the same output, our profit will be increased. So in that way productivity can be increased. Third thing is, by small increase in input achieving a substantial increase in output. We want to increase output, but we don't want to invest in resources. So by investing very less in resources, and if we get large amount of output, means large amount of production rate, and with improved quality of product and service, by investing very less in resources, we can say that productivity can be increased in that way also. So an enterprise can increase productivity with the input by reducing the input, by avoiding waste in all forms, wastage of material, wastage of time. If we can reduce it, then productivity can be increased. Second thing is, if the quality and quantity of output is increased, by better managing the resources, we can say the input remains same, but quality and quantity of output is increased by managing the resources in a right way, in a very improved way. Then we can say the productivity can be increased. And the last thing is that for better utilization of existing resources, we need to invest certain amount of capital to get large amount of output. So for better utilization of existing resources, a small increase is made in the input, means we are investing small amount of money for better utilization of resources, then also can be productivity increased by the increase in output. So these all three methods can be put in practically in industry, and we can get the result with very less amount of investment, and in very scientific way, very convincing way, we can get increase in productivity. And later part on this subject, we will study different technique that is putting very much effort to increase productivity. So this is all for this lecture. You can ask any question if you have any doubt in comment box. Thank you very much for joining with me.